This is a demo of how to use the CalPal Calendly integration in your Shopify store. So if you've already installed the app, you should see this screen here. It's a very simple interface with two options, and we're going to demo the first option, which is adding a Calendly pop-up button across your entire site. So usually that will be a floating button in the bottom right-hand corner, but you can customize that. So you simply click Add Button to Entire Site, and it will open up the theme editor. By default, it's going to turn this on. This is in the app embed section. So you can already see the button in the preview here. If we turn this off, if for whatever reason we want to disable this button, then it will disappear. But it's currently showing. So we need to add the meeting link. We get that by going into Calendly. I already have an event set up here, but if you don't, you'll have to set one of those up. You click copy link on the dashboard and you paste that link in here and try and make sure there are no spaces in there. You can customize the text. So in this case, we might want book eye test. And if you want, you can change the color of the buttons. So there are various different style options as well. You can put it in the bottom left, you can have it in the corner, but for now let's just stick to the bottom right. The hover effect option determines whether this button expands on hover by the user. So if you want to turn that effect off, you just select off, and once that saves, that will no longer happen. So we have our button, and to test that it works, you can just click it, and the Calendly modal should pop up where the user can go through the flow of booking an appointment. If you want to publish this to your store, then you just click save and your changes will be saved. And this button will now appear across your entire site. So here we've opened the production site after saving, and we can see the button appears just as we styled it, and the Calendly pop-up is working. If we go into another page, we can see that it appears on all pages. So this will float and follow the user around. If instead you want a button on an individual page, then you'll need to select the Add Button to Individual Page option, and we'll have a separate video demoing that.